now tuned into the greatest skate shop on earth, Underground Skate Shop.
All right, listen, man, the weather is finally breaking over here on the East Coast. We've been getting a couple nice days, 70-degree weather. Been skating a lot, knocking off all these winter cobwebs. And I'm just hyped to be back on the board, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am not a winter skater. I just can't do it. And I have a metal rod in my leg, so when it's cold out, I can feel that. But you guys are not here for me. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the new Rayssa Dunk Low. Now, if you ask, who is this girl? Who is Rayssa, right? Now, if you haven't been following her from the beginning, how I found out about her was she used to go viral for these videos of her like heel flipping, kick flipping, 180 and down like these 5-stair sets as a little tiny girl. But she was skating in pink tutus and fairy costumes with wings on the back, and she was just like really good, this little tiny girl from Brazil, and was so compelling to watch this girl skate. Now fast forward to the year of 2024, she has grown into this amazing professional skater. I think she's only like 16 or 17. She's won countless amounts of SLS stops. She's got a super crown under her belt. And then to top it all off, she was one of the first champions of the skateboarding division for the Olympics for the women's division. She was the first winner for the women's and straight killed it. So you need to go check her clips out if you haven't. She's got a bunch of videos out. She's also pro for April Skateboards with Shane O'Neill and the whole squad over there. So with all that being said, now in the year 2024, Rayssa now has her new Nike SB Dunk Low, and I am personally feeling these. Yes, I know. I'm biased when it comes to Nike SB. Most dunks I like. I do have my nitpicks about certain ones. First thing that I noticed as soon as I took this shoe out the box, obviously, was the smiley face labeling all over the shoe, right? You got the embossing on the side panel of the shoe, and then you also got the smiley faces on the beads that are on the front, like kind of like, what do they call them? Lace locks, right? I think that's the term for them. And then you have them also in the insole of the shoe. Now, I'm assuming this is because like she's always happy and always smiling. I think she's just happy to make it where she's made it. She's made it really far. And I think that's what those smiley faces represent. Like she's just overall happy with the outcome and all of her success that she's had within skateboarding. Now, as for the color blocking of the shoe, you got this nice tan or like light brownish suede that goes all throughout the paneling of the shoe. You got some white leather on there, and then you got the navy blue, and then you got that like deep magenta. Then you got the nice white midsole. We all love that white midsole, and the gum bottom. And then to top it all off, we all love that heel branding, that embroidery heel branding. When Nike SB does that, people go crazy for it. I go crazy for it personally. You got the nice R. I don't know if those are bunny ears or wings on the R, but I think they're wings. I'm gonna assume they're wings, like I said, because of the costumes that she used to wear when she was first coming up on the internet. So that makes sense to me. Now, as for the release date on this shoe, I believe it is the 18th of this month. You'll be seeing skate shops posting up their raffles. Here at Underground Skate Shop, we will be doing a raffle for this shoe. I'm pretty sure about it. So you guys need to just stay posted on our Instagram or on our blog post on our website. I'll put all the links down below so you can get all the information you need regarding this shoe and how you can get your hands on this shoe with us. Rayssa, I am super hyped for you. Keep crushing it. I can't wait to see what else you have in store for your future in skateboarding. I don't know if you're in the Olympics this year, but if you are, good luck to you. I am out of here. It is your boy Brumman, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.